Hello and welcome, children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself, Chanda Ravi Bhatkar from PVGS Vidya Bhavan Primary English School. Children, our today's topic is let's find the shapes. In our surrounding, we see many things having different shapes. Among all those shapes, we will be learning only some of them. Here is the summary of the lesson. So let's get start. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air, all shaped veggies we could find there. All the family members went for a picnic. They went on Sunday in a farm. In the farm, the air was fresh. There they could find all the different shapes of veggies. When he dug the soil, Motia had found cone-like carrots under the ground. The dog named Motia started digging the soil, and there he found cone-like carrots under the ground. Yash brought tomatoes, red and round, some long brinjals also he found. Yash is a name of a boy. He brought tomatoes which were red and round. He also found long brinjals in the farm. The color of the tomato is red, whereas the color of the brinjal is purple. Next, Rama got the cucumbers green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Rama is the name of a girl. She too found cucumbers green and fresh. Some of the cucumbers were straight, whereas some were bent at waist. All the cucumbers you see, children, all are not straight. Some are slightly bent. Okay. Next, tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gumpo and Pussy could pick. Gumpo is a monkey and Pussy is a cat. Gumpo brought a tamarind from a tree and Pussy got a bit of garlic. Okay, see how the monkey is swinging on the tree and the pussycat. She picked up garlic, whereas the monkey picked up tamarind from the tree. Mama roasted rotis. Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? Mama made chapatis or rotis, we could say, and Papa cooked vegetables. It was such a nice picnic where all have come together and enjoyed. Children wish to come again for a picnic, and so they requested their parents that can they come again, please? Yes or no, children? Even you too enjoy when you go for a picnic. Okay, so now let's revise. In this lesson, we could see and we could found different veggies. Now let's see which are those veggies. Carrot, brinjal, tomato, cucumber, tamarind and garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 veggies were found in the farm. Okay. Now the color of the carrot is orange. Yes. Now here comes the examples. Now the examples are given here, children. Spear, examples of spear, examples of cone shaped, then examples of cylinder. 4 examples of each shaped is mentioned in this chart. Ball, globe, oranges, cone, hat, tiffin box, water bottle. All these are the names. Now, here comes the activity time. Name the following. What you have to do is, you have to tell me any 2 cone-shaped vegetables, any 2 cylinder-shaped objects, and any 2 round-shaped fruits. So, just note down in your notebooks, children. Last but not the least, thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed, children. Love you.